Hey everyone and welcome. Today we're installing VirtualBox on Windows. It's super easy, I promise. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to the official VirtualBox website. I've got the link down in the description below, so grab it from there. Next, click that big friendly download button. Now you'll see a list of options. We want the Windows hosts version, that's the one for our Windows machines. Click on that link. This will download the exe installer file. Okay, the download's done. Find that exe file. It'll probably be in your downloads folder. Double-click it to start the installation. You might see a user account control pop-up asking for permission. Just click yes, it's safe, it's from Oracle. The VirtualBox setup wizard will appear. Click next to begin. You can usually keep the default installation location, but if you want to change it, feel free to click Browse and pick a different folder. Then Next. Okay, a quick heads up, you might get a warning about your network connection temporarily disconnecting. That's normal, just make sure you're not in the middle of something super important online, then click Yes to continue. You might also see a prompt about installing some dependencies. Click Yes to let it do its thing. This is just making sure everything plays nice together. Now just click Install and let VirtualBox do its work. This might take a few minutes. During installation, Windows might ask for permission to install device software. Trust the software from Oracle Corporation and click Install or Yes when prompted. It's completely safe. Woohoo, installation's complete. Make sure you check that box to start Oracle VM VirtualBox after installation if you want to jump right in. Otherwise, just click Finish. And that's it, you've successfully installed VirtualBox. Now you can create and run virtual machines. I'll have more tutorials on that in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.